Actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. You are a leader. As a special program of today's morning assembly, we have the online investiture ceremony session 2021-22. The investiture ceremony is one of the first formal occasions of the school where the newly elected and selected members of the school council are formally vested with their powers and positions. I feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to our chairperson of SAEF, Srimati Mangal Angadi ma'am, beloved director of SAEF, Dr. Spurti Patil ma'am, Shraddha Shettar ma'am, Administrator of SAF, Raju Joshi sir, and respected Principal ma'am, Mrs. Asha Rajput, teachers, parents, and dear students, to our online investiture ceremony. I welcome you all. So, like any other auspicious occasion, let's start this event by offering our prayers and conduct the customary lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Goddess Saraswati, the embodiment of knowledge. I would now request Mrs. Mangla Kale to accord a formal welcome to the dignitaries.
Thank you. Thank you. Ano Badra Kratavo Yanto Vishwataha. Let noble thoughts come to us from all directions. Good morning to one and all present here. At this moment, let us remember our late Suresh Angadi who worked tirelessly for the development. Honorable Member of Parliament and chairman of Suresh Angadi Education Foundation, Srimati Mangal Angadi ma'am, Dr. Spurti Patil madam, Director SAEF, Shraddha Shettar madam, Direct SAEF, Raju Joshi sir, Administrator SAEF, Asha Rajput madam, Principal AAS, my dear parents, teachers and children. Today we have all gathered here for investor ceremony. Great things are achieved through great leadership and greater leaders are created in a four walls of a classroom. Investor ceremony is one of the memorable events of every new academic year in our school. Due to pandemic situation, we are conducting this program through virtual platform. On behalf of AAS family, it is our proud privilege to extend a hearty welcome to you all. It's give me immense pleasure to welcome Srimati Mangal Suresh Angadi Madam as a president of today's function, Honorable Member of Parliament, a good leader who is working tirelessly to the development of our constituency. Dr. Spurti Patil, Director, SAEF, and Srimati Shraddha Angadi Shettar as today's chief guest of today's function. You are being here is a source of inspiration for us all. Madam, your availability to our investiture ceremony is an encouragement. Once again, I welcome you all. I extend a hearty welcome to our principal Asha Rajput madam, who is the source of encouragement, ready to offer learning environment for students. Hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome all parents, teachers, and my dear students. I welcome all of you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
The
you.
investiture ceremony reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose on our newly elected cabinet. Donning the mantle of responsibility, they all pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities and abide by the rules and regulations of the school. I would like to request Ms. Vaishali Kangralkar to announce the newly elected cabinet ministers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Rupali madam, could you please share the screen?
I have shared, ma'am. It is not visible, ma'am.
Madam, it's not visible.
Check it, Rupali, once again.
Yes.
Yes. Rupali, the next slide should move. Yes.
Miss Kajal Tanwar of grade 9 has been selected as head girl of the school. Master Muhammad Mas of class 9 has been selected as head boy of the school. Miss Varsha Masti Holi of grade 9 has been selected as cultural minister. And Miss Ekta Ikundi of grade 8 has been selected as deputy cultural minister. Miss Karuna Appaji Koraskar from grade 9 has been selected as sports minister. And Master Shiv Shankar of grade 8 has been selected as deputy sports minister. Miss Rasika Zaugule from grade 9 is been selected as literary minister. And Master Aditya Piche from grade 8 has been selected as deputy literary minister. Master Manjunath Kamatki from grade 7A has been selected as health minister. And Miss Swasisti Hittalkeri from grade 8 has been selected as deputy health minister. Miss Praveena Banekar from grade 9 has been selected as discipline minister. And Prajwal Alegaon from grade 7A has been selected as deputy discipline minister. Ms. Sayukta Virale from grade 7B has been selected as student coordinator. And Ms. Divya M. Kudri from 7B has been selected as student coordinator. Master Liban Ali Mullah from grade 7A has been selected as ground coordinator. Prithviraj Shiromani from grade 8 has been selected as ground coordinator. And Master Ayush Tikar from grade 7B has been selected as ground coordinator. Now I'll read out who has been selected for house captain and vice captain. From Agni House, Master Vayu Borgaud from grade 10 has been selected as house captain, and Miss Harsha Olkar from grade 10 has been selected as vice captain. From Jal House, Master Nagaraj Hundre from grade 10 has been selected as vice captain, and Miss Shreya PJ from grade 10 has been selected as vice captain. From Prithvi House, Master Krish Tanwar from grade 10 has been selected as captain, and for vice captain, Megha Koruskar has been selected. From Vayu House, Master Sheikh Samir from grade 10 has been selected as captain, and Janvi Nandakumar from grade 10 has been selected as vice captain.
Thank you, Vaishali ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the newly elected cabinet ministers of Angadi International School, session 2021-22. May we please have a big round of applause for them. Heartiest congratulations to all the students. I would like to request the president of today's event, Chairperson of SAEF, Srimati Mangal Angadi ma'am, to address the gathering.
Good morning, children and faculty. AIS motto is to create leaders of tomorrow. I congratulate all the leaders of AIS. For us, investor ceremony is not just about providing titles, but about confirming responsibilities to the students to take charge and the school and take it to the highest height they desire with their leadership and decision making skills, communication and teamwork. Be a disciplined leader. When you are self-disciplined, others tend to fall in line automatically. I wish all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of inspiration.
Thank you.
Now, I would like to request our respected principal madam to say a few words on this occasion.
Good morning, one and all present here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Respected Srimati Mangal Angadi ma'am, Member of Parliament Belgavi, and Chairman of Suresh Angadi Education Foundation, Director Dr. Spurti Angadi Patil and Shraddha Angadi Shettar, Administrator Raju Joshi sir, proud parent, teachers, and my dear students. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the target of success. Hearty congratulations to all the selected ministers. After taking the opinion of coordinators, mentors, and teachers, you have been selected. Angadi International School has always been inspired by the vision and mission that every child that comes to this temple of learning must be a person filled with knowledge, fear of God, respect to the elders, respecting the rules and regulations of this education portal, love and reverence to the parents, and love for the nation. The students are the torch bearers of tomorrow. Therefore, nurturing them and fostering them in sense of self-respect, self-discipline, the capacity to enjoy life as independent, self-motivated adults, and the willingness to care for others are goal set by Angadi International School. Investiture ceremony is the important event in the school calendar. Dear students, you are called to be leaders, to lead. I am sure each one of you will stand a role models. Remember, children, you should not aim at achieving academic excellence, but also strive to become wonderful citizens of the future world. You are the torch bearers of all the values that the school stands for. Take up the responsibilities with commitment and integrity. Always make sincere efforts to ensure discipline in the school. Be impartial and honest in discharging your duties. You have to always aim high and respect yourself, respect your parents, and respect your environment. Dream big, aim high, never give up. Due to COVID, teachers are taking online classes regularly. Once again, I congratulate and wish all of you on behalf of entire Angdi International School and SAEF fraternity. I congratulate each one of you. On behalf of entire staff, I take the opportunity to thank today's chief guest, Dr. Spurti Angdi Patil, the chairman of Suresh Angdi Education Foundation, Srimati Mangal Angdi ma'am, president of today's function, Dr. Shraddha Settar, for gracing the occasion, and the management for your support and for being invisible hand behind the goals and aspirations. My sincere appreciation to all the parents for being with us, for creating leaders for tomorrow. Congratulations to the entire staff for making this virtual program memorable one. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your words of wisdom and inspiration. Let us now invite our head boy, Mohammad Maaz, and head girl, Kajal Tanwar, to take the oath on behalf of the newly formed school cabinet. I request the cabinet members to switch on your videos and extend your right arm for the same.
I, Kajal, do solemnly affirm that I shall faithfully represent the interest of Angdi International School student body. I will, to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the objective and goals of Angdi International School's Student Council.
I will serve as positive role model, leader, and voice for the student population. I will strive to achieve the high level of expectation that goes along with being a student council officer of Angdi International School.
Thank you, children. Now, I would like to request our principal ma'am to administer the oath-taking ceremony.
As head boy and head girl of the school with various responsibilities, are you ready to abide by the rules and regulations of the school?
Yes,
we do.
As student cabinet ministers, are you willing to discharge your duties to the fullest satisfaction of superiors?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do, ma'am.
Yes, we do.
As captain and vice captain of this school, are you ready to serve the student community at any given situation?
Yes, we do.
I request on behalf of all leaders to take the pledge Be ready, Kajal and Maz. We promise to strive
We promise to strive
to the best of our ability
to the best of our ability
to live up to
to live up to
the ideals of our school
the ideals of our school
by fulfilling faithfully our duties
by fulfilling faithfully our duties
entrusted to us
by
by the school authorities and teachers.
the school authorities and teachers.
We will respect the rules and regulations of the school,
We will respect the rules and regulations of the school,
and we will do the best of our ability
and we will do the best of our ability
to preserve, protect, and defend
to preserve, protect, and defend
the honor of our school.
the honor of our school.
Congratulations, dear student leaders, for accepting the greater responsibility to be leaders, to lead, and to create a better world. May God's blessing be with you and guide you to be exemplary leaders in the days to come. Thank you. Over to you, Rajeshwari.
Thank you, ma'am, and dear students. I hope these young leaders will uphold the values of the school and keep Angadi International School's flag flying high while discharging their duties and honestly and impartially. Leaders are not born, they are made. To make a place in the world, one must fight for it. To lead, one must also understand what it takes to follow. I would now like to request the head boy, Muhammad Maz, to say a few words.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Good morning, everyone. I, Muhammad Mas, feel privileged and honored on holding the post of the head boy of Angli International School. I would like to express my sincere gratitude for the opportunity. I would like to thank our principal madam, Mrs. Asha Rajput, and teacher for their trust and confidence shown upon me. I promise that I will be responsible and diligent towards my duties. Along with my team, I will work hard to lead our school to the path of success. With the spirit of teamwork, I wish to enhance the discipline and pride of my school. I commit myself to the rules and regulation of our school. I will prove to be the right choice of everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Maz. This investiture is the first step to leave your imprint on the school and the ones who will follow your footsteps. I would now like to request the head girl, Kajal Tanwar, to express her feelings on this occasion.
A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Warm greetings to all. Today, I felt short of words to express my gratitude for the opportunity I have received to be the head girl of the school. First of all, I would like to thank the entire school management for showing immense faith in me by selecting me as the head girl of this prestigious institution. Today, I take the oath that I shall do all that I can. I may not be the perfect, I might not get all the things right, but I promise that I'll do everything in my power to get things right. I'll stand firm with my cabinets as blessed grade with their own remarkable talents, using out the proper functioning of the school by performing the duties. My dear fellow cabinet members, from now onwards, the responsibility of our school belongs to us. So let us all stand as a unit against all the obstacles in these coming days. A team is like a tool set. Teamwork happens the way it's supposed to. So let us all join our hands together and work with team spirit. Conducting my promises, I would like to express my gratitude towards Honorable Managing Director, respected Principal Madam, and teachers for trusting me and choosing me as the head girl of the school. I shall never let you down, and let's take our school to greater height of success. Thank you.
Thank you, Kajal. The goal of education is to spark the pursuit of knowledge, and the goal of a leader is to actualize a vision into reality. I now request Rasika Chaudhary, the literary minister, to start the speech.
I looked at the rising sun and asked, "What have you to teach me today?" I heard a voice with no light and heat. Supratam on this supposed Shanivar. To one and all present here. Respected Dr. Spooty Patil ma'am, respected Principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I, Rasika Chaudhary, the Literacy Minister of Angdi International School, is standing before you to express my gratitude towards Principal ma'am and teachers who have believed in me and have given the opportunity to become a literacy minister. I still remember the day when I had joined this institution for the first time in grade 5. Principal ma'am has always encouraged my shouldering one or the other responsibility. My journey started with the class monitor, and now I'm representing the school as a literacy minister. I really hope I assure you all that I all the full regulations of the school, and I will try to give 100% justice to this school. I once again thank all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rasika. Sports are an integral part of education. They are a means of mental and physical growth. I now request the Health Minister, Master Manjunath Kamadgi, to say a few words.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Manjunath Kamadgi of grade 7. It is said, healthy mind in a healthy body. Only healthy students of today can make resourceful citizens of tomorrow. This is a world of competition. Healthy living is a mantra of so many people around the world. So as a health minister, I will see that students maintain distance, use sanitizer, and wear mask. During this pandemic, I will see that students maintain their health. I thank our principal ma'am and my teachers for giving me this opportunity. I promise I do my best. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Manjunath. Our 4 vibrant houses, namely Agni, Jal, Prithvi, Vayu, play a key role in the academic and sporting life of our school, each named after the important elements of life. The most important role the houses play is in fostering a sense of community within our school. I now request Agni House Captain, Miss Harsha Aulkar, to say a few words.
A very warm good morning to one and all present over here. Myself, Harsha Aulkar from grade 10. First, I would like to thank our principal ma'am and teachers for giving me this opportunity. Angdi International School has always played an important role in my life. AIS has always supported and encouraged me and given wings to my life. Our principal ma'am, teachers are just like a role model to me. Our school is just like a source of light in my future. As it's my 6th year in this school and I was head girl last year, my experience was wonderful and amazing, leading school and learning new things. I hope this year, being vice captain of Agni Dal, I will not disappoint my house teachers and members and be loyal to them. At last, I would like to tell my fellow members that we are born to achieve, so let us dream and follow our heart. Thank you.
Thank you, Harsha. I now invite Jal House Vice Captain, Miss Shreya PJ, to express her views.
Opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you miss them. Success is where preparation and opportunity meet. I, Shreya of grade 10, would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity I have received as the Vice Captain of Jal House. I extend my sincere thanks to Principal Ma'am and all teachers for believing in me that I could hold the post as the Vice Captain. I promise that I'll do my duties and perform the duties very well. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. Now, let us hear Prithvi House Captain Krish Tanwar.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Like a potter molds the clay, my school and my teacher have put their effort to mold us in the right way. When I joined Angadi International School, Belgavi, it was a new place, new people around. But within no time, it became a home, and the people here became my family. Every moment spent with my friends and teacher is memorable. I thank our Principal Ma'am for always guiding me to be more disciplined. I thank my teachers because they are a source of knowledge and my friends who make me feel happy in the journey of my life. I pray for prosperity and progress of the institution and always remember our founder teacher because of whom we all are there. I bestowed upon me. As the captain of Prithvi House, I will see our house excels in all the activities in this academic year. I thank you all for trusting in my ability and giving me this opportunity. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Krish. I now request Vayu House Vice Captain Miss Janvi Nandkumar to express her views.
Leadership is the capacity to translate the vision into reality. A very warm good morning to one and all present over here. It gives me an immense pleasure to share my feelings and happiness as I have been selected as the Vice Captain of Vayu House. On this occasion, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to principals and teachers who have selected me and recognized me for this post. Thank you, ma'am and teachers. Students like is golden. Yes, it's true. I have joined Angadi International School and it was the second year of AIS. I was in grade 5th. My academic progress was increasing day by day, and I have won many prizes in cultural, co-curricular, and even in sports. The school has given me many opportunities to achieve all this. Encouragement, motivation of teachers and principal members regularly boosted me to take part in all the activities. I was very happy as I have got a good student career in this school. I was so happy and felt so surprised that our school has selected me as a vice captain to lead our Vayu House. Being a vice captain, I promised to all my team members that it is my responsibility to make sure that the members should get equal importance in taking in all these activities. I will encourage them and even I want to solve their problems. And I make sure that
Janvi, I think your video is paused.
until the goal is reached. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi. All the best to the children, and we all are sure that you are going to do your best. All the best. I now request Mrs. Ashwini Angadkar to propose the vote of thanks.
Ashwini, 1 minute. Just I will request these children. Due to COVID-19, you know that all we are taking online classes. Of course, we have selected you, and but ensure that during the online classes also you maintain disciplined children and encourage your friends to attend the classes regularly. Because as I have told you that you are the torch bearers of all the values that the school stands for. So you must take the responsibility with commitment and integrity, children. Make sincere efforts to ensure discipline in the school. Even that's what I have stressed, that online classes are going on. Maintain discipline in the school. I agree that physically classes are not taking place. But virtually, you have to shoulder this responsibility. Okay, that's what, uphold the values and become a good citizens of the country, children. Okay, thank you. Over to you, Ashwini Angadkar.
Yes, ma'am. A very good morning to everyone present here. I, Mrs. Ashwini Angadkar, regards this as an honor and privilege to extend vote of thanks on this occasion. Once a great man said that gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates vision for tomorrow. So it's time to say a big thank to all these great hearts. On behalf of management, principal, and staff, I would like to thank Honorable Member of Parliament and Chairperson of SAEF, Srimati Mangala Angadi ma'am, for their valuable presence. Your words have encouraged us a lot, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ashwini ma'am.
We
Let
have
us
blessed.
wish
1 minute, Rajeshwari. Yes, sir.
We have blessed with a dynamic personality. As a chief guest, Director of SAEF, Srimati Spurti Angadi ma'am, for her valuable presence. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank Director Sri Shraddha Angadi Shettar ma'am for her valuable presence and gracing this function. We thank you, ma'am. We have blessed enough with a dynamic personality and backed by our beloved principal, ma'am, Srimati Asha Rajput. We thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I would like to thank all the parents, students, teaching staff, and non-teaching staff for their valuable presence and enormous cooperation to make this event successful one. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ashwini ma'am. Let us wish the members of the new council the very best for the upcoming year. With this, the investiture ceremony comes to a close. I, on behalf of the entire Angadi International Schools family, would like to thank our chairperson of SAEF, Srimati Mangal Angadi ma'am, Director of SAEF, Dr. Spurti Patil ma'am, Shraddha Shettar ma'am, Administrator of SAEF, Raju Joshi sir, dear parents, students, teachers, for gracing this occasion and giving us your valuable time. Once again, heartiest congratulations and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajeshwari. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.